Howdy, folks. Check out this ice. Check this out. This is amazing. So I was at the thrift store and I found these little cookie cutters, I guess they are. There's like 3 sizes of these 8-pointed stars, sort of nest inside each other. And I figured I could just shove them inside a water bottle and use my usual water bottle beer koozie method to make some fun shapes. If you haven't seen the clear ice water bottle koozie method, I'll leave a link. But it's my go-to method, really. Once you get the star inside the water bottle, just stick it in a koozie, fill it up with water, and stick it in the freezer. Now, this is the second size. It's actually a little bit broken, but it doesn't matter. As long as you have a water bottle that it'll fit inside. This one, it just barely fits, and it's got a little lip on it, so it won't actually fall down into the water bottle. So that's cool. Fill that one up as well. Now this little 5-pointed star is a lot less tall than the other ones, and it turns out not to work quite as well, but it still did fit inside this square water bottle, so that's gonna be kind of cool. Once you get them out of the freezer, let them temper, and then you just gotta run a little water over them to loosen them up so that you can get them out of the water bottle. Once you get them out, you can just cut the cloudy ice off of the bottom using a serrated knife, whatever you got. This one came out a little weird, but now the next thing I gotta do is just get these little bits of ice out from in between the tines, I guess, of the star. They just sort of pop right off with a little bit of pressure. That was kind of cool. They just kind of sort of come right off. And then check that out. Check it. That's dope. And then just repeat with the rest. Now this is that's 5-pointed star. It cracked a little weird, actually. Sometimes that happens. But and it was also a little hard to get the extra ice off. It didn't just pop off like it did on the other stars. I may not do this one as much, but it actually worked out fine. I used it to make Auntie Susan an old-fashioned. Yeah, baby. Anyway, that's the other size. Also came out cool. Super cool. So yeah, get yourself a beer koozie, water bottle, go to the thrift store and, find yourself a something. Make some fun ice.